Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's sure to elevate your cooking game, the KMFurnila 6 Cutie Square Air Fryer with a visual window. We found this fantastic kitchen appliance online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, what exactly is the KMFurnila Air Fryer? It's a versatile cooking tool that lets you air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, and reheat your favorite meals all in one compact design. With a generous 6.34 cutie capacity, this air fryer is perfect for families or anyone who loves to cook in larger batches without the hassle of multiple rounds. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its see-through cooking window. This innovative design allows you to monitor your food's progress without having to open the basket, which keeps the heat consistent and ensures you get that perfectly crispy texture every time. No more guessing when your fries are done or risking sogginess by lifting the lid. Now, let's talk about capacity. The square basket efficiently maximizes space, meaning you can fit a whole chicken or up to 6 servings of fries in one go. This is a game changer for busy weeknights or family gatherings, allowing you to prepare delicious meals quickly and easily. Cleaning up after a cooking session can often be the least enjoyable part of the experience, but the KMFurnila Air Fryer takes that stress away. Its non-stick basket is fully dishwasher compatible, so you can simply pop it in the dishwasher and enjoy more time savoring your creations rather than scrubbing pots and pans. Now, let's discuss the performance. The digital touchscreen interface allows you to set precise temperatures and cooking times, ensuring reliable results. If you're not sure where to start, you can also take advantage of the 12 smart presets for one-touch cooking. Whether you're preparing crispy fries, succulent chicken, or delicate seafood, this air fryer has you covered. Who is this air fryer suitable for? If you're a busy parent juggling work and family meals, a health-conscious individual looking to enjoy your favorite fried foods with less guilt, or even someone new to cooking who wants an easy-to-use appliance, this air fryer is designed with you in mind. Its versatility and user-friendly features make it ideal for anyone wanting to explore a variety of cooking methods without the steep learning curve. Let's explore some practical use cases. Imagine hosting a family dinner and having a whole roasted chicken ready in under an hour. Or picture yourself prepping healthy snacks for movie night, with perfectly cooked sweet potato fries that everyone will love. If you're interested in meal prepping, you can easily dehydrate fruits for a nutritious snack or whip up a batch of crispy veggies to toss into salads throughout the week. In terms of design, the KMFurnila Air Fryer features a sleek matte finish that complements any kitchen decor. Its compact square shape not only saves counter space but also adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen setup. Whether you have a cozy apartment or a spacious home, this air fryer fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. In conclusion, the KMFurnila 6 Cutie Square Air Fryer with a visual window is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Its combination of high-performance cooking, ease of cleaning, and generous capacity makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to simplify their meal prep while still enjoying delicious, crispy results. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.